Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not responding on Android. First, let's start with some quick and easy solutions. A simple restart of your Android device can often clear up minor software conflicts, getting Roblox back on track. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak Wi-Fi signal or mobile data can cause responsiveness issues. Finally, check your device's storage. Roblox needs sufficient space, ideally at least 1 GB, to run smoothly without freezing. Moving on, let's focus on the Roblox application itself. Clearing the app's cache is a crucial step, as it removes temporary files that might be causing issues without deleting your game data. If that doesn't work, clearing the app's data can resolve deeper problems, though this will require you to log back in. Always ensure your Roblox app is updated to the newest version available on the Google Play Store, as updates often include important bug fixes and performance enhancements. Now, let's look at your Android device's system health. Keeping your Android operating system updated is vital, as system updates can improve overall device stability and compatibility with apps like Roblox. Make sure to close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming valuable RAM and processing power. Additionally, check your battery optimization settings. Sometimes, Android can restrict Roblox's performance to save power, so disabling this for the app can help. For more persistent issues, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox app is often the most effective solution. This ensures you have a fresh, clean install, free from any corrupted files. If the problem still persists after trying all these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox's official support team. They can provide tailored assistance. Also, it's a good idea to check Roblox's official status page online to see if there are any widespread server issues affecting all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.